Have you tried everything to lose belly fat and simply nothing works? Maybe crazy diets, hours at the gym, or even miracle pills that only made you waste time and money. But what if I told you that the problem is not you? There is a forbidden truth about belly fat that almost no one has the courage to tell. And today, I'm going to reveal it to you. So pay attention, because this video could be taken down at any moment. In recent years, scientists have discovered a toxin hidden in processed foods that sabotages your metabolism and blocks fat burning. That's right. You could be eating healthy and still accumulate belly fat because of this substance. This toxin was found in the blood of 9 out of 10 people who have extreme difficulty losing weight. And the worst part, it is present in breads, cookies, industrialized juices, even in some supermarket vegetables. But don't worry, because the solution exists. In a remote village in Peru, a group of researchers discovered that locals do not suffer from abdominal fat, even though they eat carbohydrates every day. The secret? An ancient plant that neutralizes this toxin in the body and activates an automatic burning mode in your body, without having to change your diet, without having to work out like crazy. When this natural substance was used in tests with more than 300 people, the results were shocking. An average reduction of 4.7 centimeters in the waist in just 30 days. That's right. Without fasting, without the yo-yo effect, without suffering. Now, let me ask you a serious question. Do you want to continue being deceived by big industries, or do you want to put an end to this and regain control over your body? To understand how you can activate this burning mode in your body, we must first understand how this toxin affects you. It all starts with a molecule called AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. These are compounds formed when you eat processed foods, or refined carbohydrates, which we call carbs. Carbs are the worst type of food for your body since they are full of toxic molecules that immediately cause inflammation and block fat burning. Imagine that you are trying to lose weight by exercising. However, every time you eat bread, cake, or pasta, your body suffers an anti-exercise effect that nullifies your progress. As if that wasn't bad enough, this molecule also causes chronic inflammation. Inflammation that destroys your joints, your heart, and even your brain. A scientific study showed that high levels of this toxin in the body are associated with cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer's disease, and diabetes. Fortunately, there is a natural way to eliminate this poison from your body, a 100% natural product that acts as an antioxidant. This means that it prevents aging and helps you live longer, healthier, and with better quality of life. And best of all, this natural substance is already in your kitchen. You probably use it regularly, but don't know about its incredible benefits. We are talking about a spice, a natural seasoning that gives a special flavor to your food. It's about turmeric. Turmeric is the main ingredient of Indian cuisine. For centuries, it has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat multiple diseases. But its real power is to eliminate toxins from the body, such as AGEs, which cause belly fat and chronic inflammation. Many scientific studies prove it. Here are 3 of them. A study conducted at the University of Michigan showed that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, significantly reduced inflammation in overweight people. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that curcumin improved insulin sensitivity in obese people. Insulin is a hormone that regulates sugar in the blood and directly influences fat storage in the body. By improving insulin sensitivity, curcumin helps to reduce belly fat and body fat percentage. Finally, a study at the Harvard Medical School showed that curcumin increased the feeling of fullness after meals, helping people lose weight without dieting. As you can see, this golden spice is a true miracle for your body. But how to use it to accelerate fat loss in a simple, fast, and effective way? I recommend taking advantage of a special blend of turmeric with black pepper. Why black pepper? Because it increases the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000, allowing your body to absorb all its benefits. This is a dietary supplement that contains 1,000 ml of organic turmeric and 95 ml of black pepper extract per serving. Each ingredient is carefully selected and dosed to maximize your results. It contains no additives, preservatives, gluten, soy, or artificial colors. This product has helped thousands of people around the world to lose weight and improve their health, and now it can help you too. To get this incredible product, click on the link in the description. There, I'll give you access to a limited stock with a big discount. But be careful. This video may be taken down at any time because what I revealed here involves huge interests. Don't wait any longer. Click on the link now and discover how you can finally lose belly fat, improve your health, and enjoy your life to the fullest. Thank you for watching this video. I remind you that this video may be taken down at any moment. Hurry up and click on the link in the description to get exclusive access. See you soon.